like if you add the classic Panda Dunks that's always restocking with the Supreme SB Ramalzis, blend these together, you get somewhere here on the Tightbooth looking joints, man. A little better though. You add a little spec. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Special part of my heart for you guys, man. I'm nothing without y'all. Today I'm back with another SB review, and these are the Nike SB Japan Tightbooth, and I knew nothing about it. I did my research before I hit every raffle up to kind of get a little more about this sneaker, man. But I'm not gonna lie, if it's a play on the Pandas, it outseeded that by far, man. So I was able to secure these with Premier. As you can see, they got their logo in the inside of the box, which is dope because if it was on the outside, the FedEx boss probably would get to it before me. But what I find the craziest about this is that I was starting to think Premier wasn't a real place. I haven't won on Premier in 7 years. So to finally hit on a sneaker that I did my research and won it is very dope to me. Let me know in the comment section below, do y'all got like a company or app that y'all never hit on that y'all just think ain't no luck? I remember at first sneakers and stuff was like that to me. I couldn't hit on sneakers and stuff for nothing. Now I hit all the time. But back to the Tightbooth joints. So it's made from Japan with love. The company is called Tightbooth, and they got popular because they started filming skateboarding at nighttime, all kind of times, and they made a whole documentary about it. I put it there. I watched a little bit of it. I got to get back to it. But that's what made Nike SB want to collab with these guys, and it's a dope collab. Also, the owner of Tightbooth actually came together with Fragment, so it was only a matter of time before they got their own Nike SB. As you can see, you got the black and white Panda hits, but you also got some safety orange. It's kind of a nod on like skating in dark, you know, dangerous, PPE. You know, COVID-19 told us all about the Ascent shoes and PPE things, and this is right on par. We don't do too much talking that night. Well, one more thing. The shot drop finally happened for the DMP Jordan 11s. I was able to get those. That review coming soon to you guys. Now let's finish these off. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So the chrome vanilla looking Nike SB box is back for this release. This is the box for the year. I like it. I mean, the purple one's cool. I like this one a little better. But that's the box your Tightbooth's coming. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS, white, black, safety orange. You flip open the lid. You get that SB tissue paper with the tree bark. And also, you get that Nike SB sticker that I showed y'all in the Sweet Tooth candy cane joints. I thought it was a Halloween situation, glow in the dark, but you get that in these too. And here's a 360 view of the left shoe of the Nike SB Dunk Tightbooth. Now I know y'all see what I meant with the panda look. You got the black and white panda look, pigeon look. But man, this would be like the Pandas on steroids, guys. The shoe box, the toe box. I'm tired, guys. We gonna get through this one. The toe box, nice, soft, nubuck, but hairy. More of a hairy look. It's not just nubuck, guys. It's more of like a soft pony, dog. This material is wild, guys. Just look at it. So it's so jet black that it's kind of hard to see the SB holes, but they're there, they're present, and that is nice, man. Just look. But when we come off that, that's when you get your white around your toe box. And as you can see, it's a design. This design is meant to like look like the metal plates that the skateboarders skate on, even though those usually steel, gray. But that's what those plates remind you of. I like the designs, man. To me, you know, being a Marvel comic fan, look like Wolverine claws. But yeah, I like that. And this material is hard leather, guys. Good hard leather. Like, you can hear it. Kind of feel like a steel plate. Going more into the middle of the shoe, you got a reflective swoosh. Again, skateboarding at night, riding the bike at night. This reflects just like the lights inside your bike. I like this look, man. In the back, you get that same black, beautiful new buck, hairy. This material is crazy, guys. I feel like if the swoosh is more of a jeweled or silver look, it will bring it out more here. But once you get this in hand and feel this material, guys, you'll know what I'm talking about. So that's sandwiched in with the white also, with the design. And on the back of the swoosh, you get the Tightbooth logo and that nice safety orange, PPE style. I like it, man. Just a nice settled look. Going to the back, the Nike logo, which is my favorite, one of my favorite logos on sneakers. I like it. It also reflects just like the swoosh. I like that look. It reads Nike. Looks a little off kilt, but I like that. That black material comes back in with the same white hard plastic. The bottom, you just get your, you know, your OG Nike Dunk look. Sandwiched in with the white all the way around. The inside also has the same reflective swoosh, so nothing changes there. The tongue is where things get even doper to me, man. So you get your SB fat tongue, of course. Nike SB logo there, of course. But it reads Tightbooth on the side of the tongue, man. I like that look, man. Reminds me of like an old Jordan look, man. Like the 23, J23 going down. It reads Tightbooth down there. White shoelaces, it comes laced in. I don't know. We'll get to the other shoes here. We get some more shoelaces. But I think the white complements these perfect. Yeah, it reads Tightbooth there. The back also reads Tightbooth. Made in Vietnam. With the safety orange on the back instead of being on the front. I like the tongue looks like it's like dotted or like a line graph if you into math, but that's the design you get on the tongue. Go to the inside, no shoe tree, you just get tissue paper. The soles are super dope. They read Tightbooth in that orange. I really like it. What I don't like is the white sock liner. No one wants a white sock liner, man. But I love the design of the sock liner and the material of the sock liner. And of course you get your Nike Zoom Air because it's an SB. So that was the left. This is the right. The right reads Nike SB. Huge. Same orange though. And you do get some more shoelaces. You get your safety orange and you get black. It comes in white. Let me know in the comment section below which ones y'all going with. Depending on what type of day, I'm kind of done with Halloween. So the orange, I'll say no to today. It's either white or black for me. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. As far as the sneaker on the right side, you still get that Tightbooth look on the tongue. Nothing's changed. You still get your Tightbooth logo there. It still reads Nike on the back. That didn't change. So everything from left to right adds up, guys. The bottom, orange and white. If you've seen one Nike SB Dunk Low, a high, a Jordan 1, you usually get this. I like how they put the orange in the inside to kind of break off the white, though. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, my first win on Premiere. Shout out to Premiere. I hope someone from Premiere sees this. Thank you, guys. They even wrote thank you to me on a receipt. It comes in a Premier box. Dope look, man. And these sneakers are dope too. I joked about the panda look with the Ramsell joints, but think about it, man. The SB joints has sort of this material. It is black and white like a panda, but what this sneaker stand for and how they did it, I really like it. I think since I said that Born and Raised is the SB of the year, the earth is kind of like throwing me more SBs, trying to change my mind. But these Tightbooth joints are really, really nice. Let me know in the comment section below, was you able to cop? They did drop on Sneakers app. A lot of sneakers that we got, SBs we got this year, didn't drop on Sneakers app, so it was some chances to get these. Let me know if you cop. Retail was $130. I think I paid $150 with the shipping from Premier. Right now, you get these on StockX and Gold for like roughly $240 to $300, depending on your size. Will they go up? I don't know, guys. The sneaker game's been weird. Will they restock? No. I can tell you that. So take that and you know, make a decision. But I feel like $240, $250 for SB in this weird time is not bad. I do think this is a $400 shoe easily, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.